How to set up your new smart spotlights. The spotlights have two setup options. You can attach the soil pins or you can attach the flexible mount. You can adjust the mount of the spotlight with the screws located on the sides. By altering these, the spotlight can go up and down. Connect the spotlights to the connector cables. Make sure you twist the ends of the connectors to ensure the connectors are waterproof. You can now put the spotlights in the ground. After that, you can connect the power adapter to the socket. The spotlights will stop blinking, you can stop pairing. The app will recognize the spotlights. Tap Add to stop pairing. After connecting, you can edit the name and assign the spotlights to a room. The spotlights are now added to the Hombli app. You can now turn the lights on and off with the app and change the color of the light. If you want to control the spotlights from anywhere, you have to connect the spotlights to the Hombli Bluetooth bridge. This also makes it possible to create smart automations. Enjoy using the Hombli Smart Spotlights. Visit hombli.com if you need any more help with your device.